Hi, this is Kalyan from Sai Solution. Let me give you a brief idea about our upcoming conversational workshop on nature and life. The foundation of this workshop is Pure Nature Cure Science. So we'll definitely have a dialectical dialogue on pure nature cure. So pure nature cure, when we talk about, we need to understand that we are talking about a dialectical dialogue. That means rational analysis of all the proposals. And that is why our workshops are always conversational in nature. No questions is unattended. So we try to address each and every question through our conversation. And definitely it is not an imposition of proposals, but also exploration of the newer proposals out of the conversation. So we'll understand under the understanding of pure nature cure, we'll understand about the beauty and unity of disease, how disease can be understood under a single understanding of progression of disease, which is a beautiful initiative of the body. And then also we'll understand the disease stages, different stages of disease, and its reversal also, how effectively we can reverse it with just our rational understanding. And a few health myths. We'll also understand about the vitality, how it works and how we can manage vitality to improve our sense of life. And finally we'll definitely go for implementation tips, a few in three layers: inputs, activities, and mind. Though in pure nature cure, primarily the implementation is not the focus but the understanding. So we'll have three layers, three phases of this workshop: the introduction, first part, and the second part. So in the introduction, we'll have two sets of proposals. One is for all the organisms, where we'll understand the disease, how it is a beautiful initiative of the body. The understanding of the disease is the primary of these proposals under the first set of proposal. And in the second set of proposal, it is Homo sapiens specific. That means human specific. Human is actually exclusive in the neural potentiality. So when we execute our neural potentiality, we can actually understand our experience better, because the experience has been modified because of our intellectual capability. Now, using the same intellect, we need to go beyond the experiential aspects, and we need to understand the experience for its validity and the natural originality. So we'll understand about that. And in the first part, we'll actually go deeper into the aspect of theory of toxemia. How the toxemia, the single identified disease in pure nature cure, is developed. So we'll understand these three layers of density, speed, and heat, and their correlations. And from there, we'll shift our understanding towards the vitality. This is an illustration of the vitality of a moment. Where we see the different engagement of the vitality, different types of engagement of vitality. We'll explore that. And then while correlating nature and life, we'll understand the principles of pure nature cure, which are the voice of the organism and the law of unity. We'll go deeper into these aspects, and also we'll understand the cellular metabolism, how the cellular metabolism initiates the healing crisis, which is the primary disease we consider, and how that helps us to reverse the health condition. And also different stages of disease. We'll try and understand different stages of disease according to nature cure, how that gets progressed from innervation to toxemia to irritation to inflammation to ulceration to hardening and to fungation. And then the reversal. It is not about relief from the pain, but understanding the genuinity of the pain and relief from suffering. That is the goal. So we'll understand how the reversal processes inside our body naturally with our conscious help. It will be conscious help and support. This will be far more effective. We'll understand that. And to manage vitality, we identified 10 supporting factors under the category of density, speed, and heat. We'll discuss about that in details during the workshop. Then we'll go a little deeper in the second part, where the primary focus is the rational understanding and the rationality. What is rationality and how we can implement rationality according to the nature's indications. So that's a very important part we consider. And as we started the first part with density, speed, and heat, we'll start the second part with the existence and execution in terms of physical, physiological, and psychological. And these three layers of existence are executed in three ways: acting, feeling, and thinking. So you'll understand that, and how acting, feeling, thinking is correlated with action, emotion, and thoughts. That also we'll try and explore. Then the primary aspect where we have started, that for Homo sapiens, we need to explore the root of our experience. So there we'll try to explore how the emotions or the experiences are rooted naturally and intentionally. So naturally vis-a-vis the tendency wise, and intention is the intellectual intervention. So we'll understand that how we can go deeper into executing our intention to go beyond the ill effect of the intention. So we'll try and explore that. We'll definitely go sensory organ analysis and its impact. This is one example, but we'll go for all the 5 organs. And then another aspect that's a prominent aspect, that the relational problem that we suffer. So we'll try to understand what is relation and how that can be distributed into our execution, how we execute the relation, and what is the rational or the natural aspect of the relation. Then the mind, as we commit to understand the whole thing, the mind actually plays the vital role. So how mind forms through the sensory inputs, we'll understand during this second part. And from there, we'll again correlate the existence and execution and try and understand what is the natural conservation, and we call it rationality also, how our action, emotion, and thoughts are connected in an order. So we'll understand natural connection of action, emotion, and thoughts through the acting, feeling, and thinking, and how we actually go away from nature by reversing this order. That also we'll understand under the understanding of irrationality, which is nothing but unnatural choices of action, emotion, and thoughts in a reverse order. We'll understand this also. So the emotional distribution also will be understood under the unidentifiable and identifiable emotions. So exactly what is emotion in nature, and what do we understand or what we conventionally consider as emotion, we'll explore that as well. So we are actually having upcoming workshops. Few workshops are upcoming. The latest ones are the online workshop on 3rd and 4th April 2021. Registration link, you can pause the video and copy this registration link. And in-person camp, the latest camp is coming up on 1st and 2nd May in Bangalore. The registration link also is given here. Otherwise, you can visit our website, scisolution.info. There you'll find all the upcoming. We have a couple of more workshops planned already in Mumbai and Pune in the month of June. So you can explore that as well. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to meet some of the people from Bangalore and around on 26th of March. So let's converse, and when whatever the questions that you may have, on the topics and everything. I'm ready to discuss that out and looking forward to converse. This Bangalore workshop is initiated and hosted by Sei Bapat, a popular yoga teacher, and also she runs a company called Clean Eating with Sei. So excellent work she is doing, and I'm looking forward to meet the community of Sei and converse with them. Thank you. Thanks a lot.